Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to fix Google Play Store is missing from my phone. First, unlock your Android phone using your fingerprint, PIN, or pattern. Search for Play Store. Swipe down and type Play Store in the search bar. It may just be hidden, not deleted. Check all app folders and screens. Manually swipe through your home screens and folders. It could be tucked inside one. Open Settings app. Tap the gear icon to access system settings. Go to Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your phone model. Tap See All Apps or App Info. This shows the full list of installed apps. Scroll and look for Google Play Store. If found but disabled, continue to the next step. Tap on Google Play Store, then tap Enable. This reactivates it if it was turned off. Check Play Services too. In the same app list, look for Google Play Services by using the search tool, then tap on it once you searched it, and make sure it's enabled. Restart your phone. Sometimes a reboot makes the icon reappear. Update or reset app preferences. In Settings, go to Apps, See All Apps, then tap the menu, the three dots. Tap Reset App Preferences. This resets all disabled apps and permissions. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.